Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TradeStation Securities step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the TradeStation website. Locate the sign up or register button on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to the account creation page. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the appropriate field. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Enter your residential address, ensuring it matches your identification documents. Provide your phone number for verification purposes. Next, confirm your phone number by entering the code sent to you via SMS. Move on to the investment profile section. Answer questions related to your trading experience and investment goals. This information helps TradeStation tailor their services to your needs. Review the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Continue by clicking on the next button. You may be prompted to provide additional information regarding your financial status. Fill in your employment details, including your employer's name and occupation. Complete the questions regarding your annual income and net worth. Once you have filled out all the required fields, review your information for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to proceed with your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from TradeStation. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your new TradeStation account using your credentials. You may need to complete additional steps to finalize your account setup. Review the funding options available to deposit money into your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.